guys, welcome back to Beno's Esther Malka's channel. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe because every single week we do another game review, and today I am super excited to share Robot Face Race with you. If you've heard of this game or have a toddler or I would say 3 or older, running around, give this video a thumbs up. In this video, we're going to start with an unboxing. We're going to go through a gameplay to share with you how this game is played. I'll go over kind of some educational tips and what skills this focuses on, and then we'll end off with my overall opinion. So let's get started. The first thing that always catches my eye is the box design, of course, because on your shelf it needs to pop right out and say, ooh, this is a game I want to play. Now, check out this game. It is a square. I happen to like square boxes because they fit nicely on the side on the shelf. Something that I do like, now I work with students who read and students who don't read. Check this out. Depending on who you have around, this side is all pictures, so you could put it this way. Or you can have the words on the side. So that's kind of up to you. Fancy or words. And that's just a little fun feature. Now, just to note, this game is many years old. So the fact that it's still going strong just shows you something. Next, we have the board. The board is so super cool, so super busy. It is a bunch of robots with different facial features, colors. It's just cute. I'll give you guys a close-up look on that one. Look how pretty. It's just pretty. And especially for kids who like robots, this game is going to catch their attention. Next, we have, I guess, the robot picker. And you kind of just turn it upside down, shake the balls around. Now, if you look closely, there are 5 different balls, but when you put it in, the way it's designed, you only have 3 balls showing, 3 different colors. So this feature alone, the kids love to get started because they love mixing and seeing which color it falls into. So this is a fun feature. I just want to show you guys something quick. I also like a good game inset. For this one, not loving this inset. It's like floppy, falls around, and as you'll see in a second, the robots kind of fall through the cracks. So, there we go. Not such a fan of the inset itself. And not to mention, when you put it away, this is so empty. It drives me nuts. But it looks pretty on the shelf, so I don't know. All right, next you have the markers, which we'll get into that in a minute. You have the red robots. You have your green robots. You have your blue robots, and who else? Oh, we have purple robots. Now, every player, there are 4 players, so every player gets their own robot. If you like this game so far, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to head over to our gameplay. So when it comes to kids games, the first thing that often gets my attention is how easy it is to set up. And check this out. We have the board in the middle of the table. Next, the children will take turns. I like to take turns passing this spinner around. And of course, everybody gets their little tokens. Now, the actual gameplay is super simple, which is another bonus. I take this, picker, shake it upside down, and then see what it falls into. So, for example, I have to find a robot with a blue face, green nose, yellow eyes, and red mouth. So, something I often tell my students is pick 2 things. Pick the face color because they're kind of stand out, and then look for another feature. So let's say blue face, red mouth. And so we'll look blue face, red mouth. Do we have, we have a green eye, but oh no. Oh, sorry, we have blue, yeah. We have yellow eyes, so no, this isn't good. So we got another blue face. Oh, we got yellow eyes. Check. Oh, and it's a red mouth. Let's go find the next. Nope. And then we have, nope, there's no purple, so it's not that one. This game is harder than I thought. We have a green. No, it's a yellow eye. No, blue face, yellow eye, but there's no purple. Oh my goodness. All right, this game is much harder than it looks, and every time I play with my students, we go through the same thing, and I'm like, oh no. Oh wait, it's over here. No, it's the wrong color eyes. Okay, you get the picture. When you find the robot, you put, sorry, the camera can't fit the whole board game in it, but it's on the other side. And then again, we would shake the picker, shake it up, shake it, give it a shake, a good shake. Check it out. And again, like if you think your kids would love this feature. And next we're looking for a red face, yellow nose, purple eyes, and green mouth. And then whoever gets it next would, of course, put theirs out, and so on and so forth. Again, I apologize. This board is a little too big for the camera. Anyway, so there are two ways to play this game. The first one is the child who puts out all of their robots first is the winner. But now check this out. Are you familiar with the game sequence? Well, give this video a thumbs up if you are. If you're familiar with this game sequence, watch what we do. The children take turns placing their robot faces down, right? And as you know, it's all random. We never know what we're going to get, right? Look at this. So guess what? Then a child may choose to take one out and then move it, and the goal is to get 3 in a row. So this just elongates the game. Step number 1, get all your robots on the playing board. Step number 2, keep switching them around, and the first player to have 3 in a row wins. So that kind of adds strategy. Now, I like games that grow with me. So the matching 3 in a row just takes it up a notch. But let's do the reverse. Let's say you have a child who's either A, younger, or B, struggling. I mean, look at this board. You saw in the beginning, not only does not everything fit in here, but look how many faces. I'm going to give you a quick tour. Look how many faces are here. It can get overwhelming, especially, see, you can't even see the top. There's still more rows on top. It can get overwhelming for some children, so guess what we do? I would shake it up, shake, 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 and then we'll only focus at first on one feature. So whoever finds a green robot, put the face down. Green robot. So now we're learning how to match our colors. Then next, let's take it a step further. Let's give it a shake, 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 shake. And now we're only going to cover, let's say, green robots with, green again. Green robots with yellow mouths. So now we're focusing on 2. Oh, green robot with a yellow mouth. Nope, not a yellow mouth. These are all green, but none of these have yellow mouths. Ooh, where are the green? Oh, green robot with a yellow mouth. Oh, green robot with the yellow mouth. And then you get the picture. Then for number 3, shake, 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 shake it again. And check it out. Oh, we have oh my goodness. We're all getting green robots today. Okay, green robot, let's say purple eyes. So now we're focusing on something new. Green robot. And let's see, purple eyes. Green robot, purple eyes. Green robot. Oy vey. Oh, there we go. Green robot, purple eyes. He's all the way out of the picture. Green robot, purple eyes. Green robot, and here, purple eyes. So again, it's the goal is to kind of build up recognition of colors and shapes, because guess what? Look at something as the mouth. None of the mouths are the same shape. And look at the nose. His is long. His is more triangular. And for some children, this could be quite a challenge. So if you guys made it this far, don't forget to like this video and check out the description box below where I left a link to the game. And of course, there's a link to our Instagram page where you can leave any comments, questions, or you want to suggest next week's game. And let's see what I think of this overall game. What do I think of Robot Face Race? 1 being, I highly recommend it. You guys should get it. 2 being, well, based on my review, you decide. And 3 being, ooh, stay away from it. Well, I'll be honest, I'm going to give Robot Face Race a 1. Now let me tell you why. Number 1, the game alone is fantastic. As the children are playing, they're working on visual feedback, fine motor skills, and increasing their response time, which, you know what? That's going to be really, really lovely when you guys actually get up to memorization of math facts. So fun with robots equals easier math time later on. So that's the first thing I like. Second thing I like, as you saw from my review, there are many ways to differentiate this game. I've only shared with you a few, but I'm sure if you guys head over to my Instagram account and leave a comment, I bet you guys can think of more ways to enhance the learning of Robot Face Race. Meaning, it's a game that is really easy to play and you can hack it for your littles, or you can change the complexity and hack it for your older students. So that's something else that I love about it. And last but not least, I don't mind playing it. I actually enjoy this game, and the more kids we have, up to 4, this can actually be a really competitive game. And you know what? Life isn't all unicorn and rainbows, and sometimes kids need that competition. And this game is a game I like playing with my kids, and it allows them to develop this, inner, I want to do better, and I love that about this game. If you guys like Robot Face Race too, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, share it with the people in your life, because you never know. their kids may be looking for a fantastic game. And of course, don't forget to check out the description box below, because in addition to my Instagram account, which I'd love to hear from you guys, I shared the link to Robot Face Race, where you guys can go check out more about this game to see if this is right for your collection. But based on my opinion, I think you should go there right now and check it out. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. Have a good day. Bye.